5, 6, 7. You jump forward, back, place, forward. Repeat. Back, place, forward. Very good. So make sure when you're jumping, you lift your right leg up. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And when we add an arms in it, you bring your arms, go 1 and roll it a little bit upward. Little bit. Let's add on with the foot movement. It goes 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Great. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Great. Nice. I hope you got the steps. Now, oh, I forgot to introduce. So, hello everyone, welcome to the Tutorials with Kudrat Club, and this is our chapter 8. We'll be doing a song called Tauba Tauba by Karan Aujla and Vicky Kaushal, and I've been accompanied with Toshani and Rehmat. So let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7 with the right elbow gun point right and left. Then अपने left hand को overhead and bring your right hand on your chest. Okay, and from here you give a pump. Got it? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Right, left, roll left, bring your hand right and chest out, in. Very good. Now from here you bring your, hold your t-shirt or jacket, whatever you're wearing, and then उसको ऐसे करना है जैसे कोई खींच रहा है. So let's do it and pull and you slide. Great. Now here you come in this position, you lift your heels up on your toes. So heels up and turn towards the other side and place. Got it? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Bring it up, slide, place. Great. Got it? Let's start from the top again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Right, left, roll and chest pop, slide, twist. Great. From here you point on your right, point left. Got it? Now you go back with this. You go 1 and come back. जब आप पीछे जाएंगे, you bring your hands at the back. So you go again. 1, 2. Got it? So from the top, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Roll and chest pop, slide, twist, point and back and place. Here we finish with the one line of the song. Now, for the second line, what you have to do is you do a ball change step. I hope you know the ball change step. Agar nahi aata, it's okay. Let's learn that. How to do is you tap your right foot back, bring your left foot forward. Okay. Now, do it one by one, but do it faster. So, right, left. Seems so easy. 5, 6. Same time pe you point your right hand on the back. So, 1. Now, bring your body forward and snap. Got it? 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Clap. Now you place here. Apne you lift your left shoulder up. Left, right, and then wave. Right? So left, right, wave. Got it? Now from here, let's start from ball change. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and clap. Left, right, wave. Now when you're doing wave, आप अपनी wave के साथ you use your hand, you bring your right hand on the chest, you slide and bring it down. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, tak tak tarara, and then 1, 2. So with this you use your leg also. So stamp left, stamp right. Now hit the right leg towards the left side. 1, 2, turn, place. Got it? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Ball change, clap, left, right, wave, and weko, and click, kick, back, place. Got it? I hope you got this. So let's start from the top, from the beginning. A little bit on a speed up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then place, slide, point back, and 1, 2, click, click, wave. 1, 2, then kick, back, turn, and place. Got it? I hope you got it till here. Now after this, there is a word female voiceover and it says stop. So when it says stop, you sit. So it's like stop. Got it? Let's do it again. So when it's this here we have finishing in this second line. So third line se pehle we have a female voiceover which says stop. Got it? Now after this, Karan Aujla ki dobara awaaz aayegi. So bring your hand, left hand here, right? You bring your left foot forward. See, that is a left foot. Okay? Then you change towards the right with a jump. So change, and we'll go back again with the. So here, got it? So these are 3 jumps. So from here, let's start from here. So 5, 6, 7, you place, left, right, left. Here you stay there, and then we have one more time wave, and we'll add on arm again, right hand, because left arm is already used, so right arm use karenge. So what you have to do is you wave from the upper body, you lift your waist up in the air, wave. Got it? Latino, there is a word in the song, it says Latino. So, and that word you are doing this step. Go Latino, and then आपने अपनी body को नीचे ले जाना है so that you can balance yourself, and अपने right foot को उठा के रखना है left side so that you can put weight on it, and you can use one hand and turn yourself and stand. Got it? I hope you understand the floor step. Let's do it floor step again, little bit kind of in the music. Okay, so let's go 5, 6, 7, go stop, place, left, right, left, Latino, place, turn, stand. See, it's your choice. You want to use the other hand to make your balance. Agar ho jata hai to well and good, without it, but if you want to, you can. Okay, perfect. So once you stand up, now there comes a tricky step. So you come here, you make a position in a V pose, right? And you go on your heel, you place it out. Now you bring your toes out and come back, and then come back. Got it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's add on arms in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now let's do it in a fast movement. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, nice. So now the next step is what you have to do is we'll turn towards one side, place it towards this side. You go is we slide it back and we'll hold the other foot forward like this, and then आपने दोनों पैरों को बीच में लेकर आना है and you hold it, right? And then अब left leg forward जाएगा, 2 and then center. That means out and center, out and center. Got it? So 5, 6, 7, go out, center, out, center. Great. Let's do a little bit on a fast version. So that 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So let's do it one more time. Okay, girls, watch it again. How to do it? Just don't do it. Just watch it. So it goes 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Got it? Great. I hope you also got it. Chalo. Let's do the next step. What you have to do is the next one is you kick right foot, bring it cross, come forward. अब इसको इतने जोर से पीछे की तरफ करना है so that you can roll yourself. Kick and roll. And you place your body like this. It will take time. जैसे ये अभी balance बिगड़ा, इसका भी balance बिगड़ा. It will take time to balance yourself. That's perfectly fine. Even I also loses balance a lot of time. It's perfectly fine. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Go forward, cross, forward, and roll. And you come back here in this position, and then join your feet. Got it? So once you finish with that roll, you place here, and we'll come back. Now with this we will tap this left leg back, right? Then you bring your hands cross and open, and then you wave from left to right. So wave left to right. I hope you got it. If you don't know how to wave, stay tuned. We'll be soon uploading the wave tutorial as well, how to do it in easiest version. Right now let's learn it. So 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you finish with a 6, you place your foot back here. Okay, so let's do it in a little bit fast version. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, wave and place. The moment you place it here, now comes with your flexibility. I hope you guys working on your flexibility. So now you want your lower back to be strong enough so that you can bend back as much as you can and hold this position. And then hold it here. You bring one leg, 2, and pull yourself forward. Just imagine there's some rope is there and you're pulling yourself forward. Okay, we'll hold this for 2 lines and then we'll take a round and style. Enjoy. Got it? Okay, let's do it one more time. So you go hold. Okay, here we have a video on top. If you can see, we are going this 5, 6, 7 and wave. And then we'll tap, tap, pull. Got it. And then just enjoy. Great. Now, after this comes the iconic step of Vicky Kaushal. Right? So, let's tune it again. So, what you have to do is you bring one hand in your pocket. If you don't have a pocket, you can keep your hand here also. That's perfectly fine. Or you can just keep it in a pocket. And then with the style, Husan Tera. Got it? So, it's your child. You can do whatever way. So, I'll say Husan Tera, and then you bring foot forwards together. Now what you have to do is you jump up and go towards back with your right leg up in the air. So 1, and then place the right foot and then bring it forward. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Great. Repeat. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now with this you add on the hand movements. Hand movements is you bring in a gunshot and you go bring down, kind of roll so that you can use your shoulder as well. So if you're beginner, just work on your legs. Once you're comfortable enough, then you can add on your hands in it, or you can do whatever way you want to add on hands. So it's go 5, 6 with the hands. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yay, got it. Great. Let's go. Now, after this, we'll enjoy a step. We have to do bring one foot back. So that means right foot back. Just be पैर को आप back ले जा रहे हो, same hand goes back. So 1 clap, 2 clap. Great. Now let's add on a little bit vibe in it, style, and 5, 6, 7 and 1 clap, 2 clap. Yay, got it. Let's do it. Hold this step. So bring your hands under. We'll do it for 2 times and do the clap steps 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So got it? I hope you got it. Let's do it. Combine kind of with the music. So 5, 6, 7. Husan tera tauba tauba tauba. 1 clap, 2 clap. Okay, we'll do it for 2 times and after that we'll do the different Tauba Tauba. So what you have to do is again you bring your hand this, we'll hold this hand and we'll do a tap. Tauba Tauba Tauba. Got it? So in this you can add on your lower body so that it gives you more style in it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? And then we'll add on the step. You go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Got it? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then we'll have done that one more step. So again we keep your hands here and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add on waist in it also. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll finish out this wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. Let's ride a motorcycle with a kick. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Got it? So let's repeat. Hold this unique step. Tauba Tauba 1, 5, 6, 7, go. Husan tera tauba 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 tauba. Repeat. Husan tera tauba 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 tauba. 1 clap, 2 clap. Husn tera tauba, tauba, tauba. One and change, two and change. Husn tera tauba, 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 tauba. Ta na 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 na. Ta ta ta. Oh, so here we finish our choreography. I hope you like it. Do practice, do share, and comment below if you are forgetting any steps or you want me to elaborate more. And I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned. See you. Bye bye.